Si Ma'am Gilid po. Itong mga di po ba?
Oh, Che, balik na ko, Che. Sorry.
Wala na mga pictures nga nagkuhan mo nun, nag-dress na ang mga kuhan. Right.
This lovely couple is having their first dance. This allows you to prepare your paper bills and your rent envelopes, and we will prepare for the yes, sayang na tayo. Geraldine. Sorry kaya bumul-bumul. Geraldine og si
I know your eyes in the morning sun. I feel you touch me in the pouring rain. And the moment that you wander far from me, I wanna feel you in my arms again. And you come to me on a summer breeze, keep me warm in your love, then you softly leave. And it's me you need to show. How deep is your love? How deep